see. Oh boy.
It's so beautiful. Whoa.
He is cool looking.
Like, it could do like this, or it could like do that, and the claws are like...
Let me see his eyes. Oh, his eyes look realistic.
That's the best color-wise, yeah. Oh my god, look at his tail.
Yeah, he's nice looking, Bryce.
He deep.
He is nice looking.
He dope. That color-wise, that's the coolest one, yeah.
Yeah. That's a nice looking little 3D, whatever it is.
I don't know how they make 3D printed things like that. Like, they have like a 3D printed like by the side. They print to the animal.